Hi folks, welcome to a quick demonstration of how to complete your electronic usage survey. You'll notice that I'm in my desktop page and there's a new property box in here. This one contains a link to the survey, some information about how to log in, and again more information about exactly the same as you had previously, what to lodge and what not to, and then there's a link to the PowerPoint that I used at the staff meeting. Now the first thing I'm going to do is open up and log into my survey. Now, it's my first name dot last name. My password I've kept as EUS, and I'm just going to switch to this is the view that you will see. Now you've got here a place to submit your record. If you want to view records that you've already submitted, if you have nothing to report to this week, you just need to click here, and again if you want to change your password you can go there. Now I'm going to submit some records, and I've been saving these records in a folder on my desktop in a Word document, and I've tried to pick 3 types of resources to lodge that should cover most of what we use at school. The first one I'll be looking at it's a site from Britannica. It's our subscription, but it's also a website. Now I'm just going to copy that URL for now, go back to my lodgement page, and now I'm going to first of all lodge the item, and we have a choice between a web page or other. This is a web page. It's how many pages are in the web page. I only used 1 page, and this is the page here in Britannica. I've just kept it open to show you, and there was only text on the page that I looked at. I'll just paste in the URL there, and I click submit. You can see that the item has appeared here, and if you want to make any further changes you can there, or you can delete it. And then I need to look at how I actually use that item, and I think if I go back, I've noted down here that I projected this item to a class of 27. So I just go down here, I say I displayed or projected 27 students, finish. Do I wish to add anything else? No, that's my one item. It has been successfully saved. Now I go to my second item on the list. This time I've displayed a textbook using a CD-ROM. And I go back here, so this time it's other. There was 1 page that I used. It had text and images in there. And notice that the lodgement details have changed here. We can make, if it's like a scanned document, you can attach it, but this time it was off of a CD-ROM, so I can't make an attachment, but I can add in. So if you don't make an attachment, you need to submit either the title and the chapter title and the ISBN number, or these other 5 fields here. Now on my GeoActive 1 disk, there is actually an ISBN number. That's the number there. So I'll copy that one. And I can paste that in there. The chapter I was looking at was From the Mountains to the Sea, page 80. I'm just including the page number as just an added bit. And that's all I need to complete if I have the ISBN number. If I didn't, then I would have to add in these extra fields. So I'll just say submit. You can see there that the item has been lodged. Now I need to come down and look at the usage of that item. And being a textbook page, students already have a copy of it, so really I've just displayed it, and I've displayed it this time to 28 students. I click finish. Do I have any more to add? No. Successfully done. Now I have my third item to submit. It's a scan from a textbook, and I have made an attachment of this textbook, but it seems that it doesn't seem to be attaching. If you're having any problems attaching, don't worry, we'll be able to work around that. So this item being a scan from a textbook, it's other, it's not a website. There's 2 pages. It's text and image that are in the scan. Now there's the space to make an attachment, but it doesn't seem to be working for me. So I also have other information about where that scan has come from. It's come from a book, and because I filled in the ISBN number before, this time I'll just fill in this information as if I couldn't find the ISBN. Okay, and then I click submit. There's my item sitting in there, and it's a scanned document. Number of copies, I just scanned 1 copy of the 2 pages. Then how did I use that scan? This scanned document I printed out for students to use, so I printed out 28 copies of that. I may also then have used that in class. In that case, I might have not only handed it out to students, but then projected it on the wall, and I projected it to the 28 students. I click finish, it's being saved, successfully saved. So now if I click up the top up here, I can view my usage, and I have 3 items lodged, and I can go back and make any changes if I want to those items. Then all I need to do is log out. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or come up and see me in the library. Thank you. Bye.